Hey there, we are always fighting squirrels in my yard, so the team over at ONLYFLY sent over one of their squirrel baffles. Now, the first thing I really like about this is that it is a metal baffle. So I personally just prefer the metal. I think it's a little sturdier than plastic and it has less give for those squirrels to climb around on. So here we have our parts of the baffle. We have the baffle pieces themselves, we have the retainer, and next to it is the buckle and all the wing nuts. We have a set of gloves if you choose to wear those as you install it, as well as a spring. Let's get it together. Putting this together was super easy. I simply assembled the three pieces using the screws and wing nuts, tightened everything down. Then I put on this stabilizer on the top, again, tightening it down. Finally, I slipped over this buckle on the bottom, put the spring on, and then slid this over the pole. Now you will notice my pole here has wing nuts that hold it tight. So I did have to take this piece off to do that, but no issues at all. I really like this spring action because it gives more movement, but is stable in case any of the squirrels try to come up that pole. Again, we are always fighting squirrels in our yard against the bird seed. So this little thing, I really like how it's made. I like the stability of it. And I like that movement from the spring because not all baffles I've seen have that. If you are looking for a new way to deter some squirrels in your yard, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.